In the relation to the spurt in the COVID cases, do you think it was a wise decision by the government to go for opening of the hotels?
See, 2 days before, minister and the cabinet okayed it. I am also part of the cabinet. I would not deny it that the matter came up, and we all supported because the industry, the TAG had requested, Travel and Tourism Association of Goa, uh, then Hotel Industry Association. All the people together they had asked CM that this industry needs to open up. Now the question arises on both sides whether this industry should have been open at this point or not. If you ask me personally, my personal opinion is no, it should not have been open, and it should have been deferred by at least a month, that is this month, July, and opened in the month of August after looking at the situation. But looking at the point of view of the entire industry asking for it to open, the Travel and Tourism Association talks on behalf of all the hotel owners, talks on behalf of all the restaurant owners association, bars owners association. They are speaking this language that we need this industry to open. But personal view is different. My personal view was different. So I had also said that the places from where we were expecting tourists, we expect tourists every year to come to Goa, are the places where the COVID situation has spiked. It has gone up. Whether it is Mumbai, whether it is Delhi, whether it is Haryana side, whether it is Punjab side, whether it is all these areas, Bangalore and all those other places, from wherever the Indian tourists come in this particular month of July and August, are these states.
Discussion झालं, but did you put your
Yeah,
dissenting
नोट
voice
नोट घालूंक ना पण वॉइस म्हाजो आसलो.
not to open it?
या हांवें
Defer
सांगलें
it.
हांवें सांगलें की अशें ह्या टायमार सिट्युएशन बरें ना, बट इंडस्ट्रीचो प्रेशर आहा म्हणून सीएमान ते ओपन करचें पडलें बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ सॅलरीज have to be given by the industry to the boys who are working, boys and girls who are working in this industry. I also know about it. Even I am giving salary in lockdown, small amount. आम्ही धाकटो अमावंट दिता. आमचें हॉटेल बंद आहा. अशे खूब जाण हॉटेलवाले दिता आमचे गोंयकारांक, जे गोंयकार परमनंट आहा पळय तेंकां. सो बट अशे इंडस्ट्री उलोवपाक लागले की कितलो तेंप बसून आमी बंद करतले. बट दीस इज द पीक. This month is the peak where every day we see 100 cases, 190 cases, 80 cases. So त्या खातीर इवन आमी असेंब्ली कर्टेल केली 1 day. सो गोडेक इंडस्ट्री जर तर ढप करून ओपन जायना जाल्यार वील हॅव टू रिविजीट दीस पॉयंट अँड डिफर इट बाय 15-20 days. कित्याक हे 15 दीस मातशे हेवी रेन्स आहा, वेदर कोल्ड आहा सारको. आमी सदांच म्हणटाले की वी वील हॅव टू सी हाव द व्हायरस रिएक्ट्स टू कोल्ड वेदर इन द मंथ ऑफ जून जुलय. सो हो म्हयनो सारको कोल्ड आहा, व्हायरस स्प्रेड जायत आहा गोंयान. सो अशें डिसिजन जावंक शकता की फुडें वचून डेट डिफर जावंक शकता. आतां ओपन केला परत बंद करून मातशें फुडें या
म्हणजे the
नंतर
hotels.
हय केशी वाडत जाल्यार. आय एम ओन्ली टॉकिंग अबाउट द हॉटेल, आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेस्टॉरंट्स. पण इकॉनॉमीक एक्टिविटी गोंयान स्टार्ट जावपाकूच जायी. आतां दुसरी इंडस्ट्री चालू आहा, बट दोज पीपल दॅट इज नॉट अ एकोमोडेशन इंडस्ट्री. लायक आमचे इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान सगळी इंडस्ट्री चालू आहा नॉर्मल, इट्स क्वायट बॅड. त्या खातीर आमी सांगलें की हांवें म्हाजो पर्सनल ओपिनियन आहलो सीएमाकूय की आमी डिफर करूया म्हणून.
So in the
But
cabinet,
industry was forcing CM continuously to open this industry so that तेचेर खूब जाण लोक डिपेंड आहा. लायक कितकेच जाणांक सॅलरी मेळता आमचे गोंयकार भाव तेंची खूब जाणांची सॅलरी कमी केल्ली आहा. सॅलरी जो तर 20,000 आसली जाल्यार आयज तांकां 5,000 मेळता. इट्स लायक अ स्टायफंड. Hotel is closed, but still some hotels are giving some small amount of salary. And जर open करीत जाल्यार they are expecting tourists to come. But with what? Tourists to come with what? Was my question. Like, you can always expect a lot of tourists who will come, will be positive. So, आधीच आमचे situation बरें ना गोंयांत. People are scared. So in this situation, we have to wait.
so in the cabinet to the CM about bars being opened in Goa, but now 2 days they have gone, but they have still not opened. Is it on the pipeline or?
See, we
Government
have
is rethinking on it.
requested the center
Uh,
to give relaxation to Goa as far as opening of bars. Because to open restaurant guidelines have come from the center. And Goa being a state where bars and restaurants go together, any Goan also going in a restaurant, they want to have a small drink. I'm not saying all the Goans, but maximum Goans, you can say 80% Goans. So bars opening along with restaurant is not a, if restaurant opens, why not bar? So everybody is waiting for bar to open, and we have written to MHA. I have also written. Let us see if our earlier also I had written, and I was the first person to MLA or a minister to ask officially from center to open the wholesale shops or retail wine shops. Wholesale and retail wine shops. I was the first person to come on record that liquor is required for the people of Goa who are staying at that particular time in lockdown in Goa. Means liquor is required means not for everyone, but whoever are regular drinkers, they require their small peg in the evening or afternoon, or a pint of beer or anything like that. So there is nothing wrong in that. To speak, I'm not speaking on behalf of any lobby of liquor industry or anything like that, but it is required for the state. So that's why I had asked. Today also I'm asking that if the restaurants are open, why the bars should not be open? And Chief Minister also agreed with me whatever I said, and he said he will also write to MHA to give this relaxation. Packing, pharma products or any other products, granite cutting industry, सगळे ते बाकीचे इंडस्ट्री चालू हा. सो हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री मीन्स भायले स्टेटीतले लोक गोंयांत येवपाक जाय तेन्ना ती इंडस्ट्री चालू उरूंक शकता.